Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of kittens step by step. First, create a cozy, secure environment for your new furry friend. This includes a warm bed, a quiet corner, and easy access to their essentials. Next, ensure they have fresh water and kitten-specific food readily available. Finally, schedule their first vet appointment promptly for a thorough checkup and initial vaccinations. Early care sets them up for a healthy life. Proper nutrition is crucial for growing kittens. Offer them high-quality, kitten-specific food several times a day, following the package guidelines for their age and weight. Remember, cow's milk is not suitable for kittens and can cause stomach issues, so stick to water. Always ensure a clean bowl of fresh water is available at all times to keep them well hydrated. Good eating habits start now. Quick recommendation: taking care of a kitten is thirsty work, so remember to stay hydrated yourself. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. And speaking of hydration, check out the amazing Owala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your water cool and accessible. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Maintaining good hygiene is vital for your kitten's well-being. Keep their litter box spotless. A clean box encourages consistent use and prevents accidents. Regularly observe your kitten for any changes in behavior, such as decreased energy or a lack of appetite, which could signal illness. Start gentle grooming early with soft brushing to get them accustomed to the routine and keep their coat healthy. These habits promote a happy kitten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.